Hello guys! Today, ang ituturo ko sa inyo is all about volume of a composite solid. Okay, let's start. So, we have here, for our example number 1, find the volume of the composite solid shown below. So, meron tayo ditong composite solid na medyo complicated siya, mukha siyang bahay. So, paano ba natin hinahanap yung volume ng composite solid? Wala naman tayong formula na magagamit na isang formula lang, makukuha na natin to. So, ano yung kailangan natin gawin? Okay? So, lagi niyong tatandaan, okay, mahalagang tandaan to, kapag naghahanap tayo ng volume ng composite solid, kailangan nating i-break down yung composite solid na yun into simpler solids na meron tayong formula. Like yung mga rectangular pyramid, square pyramid, yung mga prisms natin, like rectangular prism, okay, yung mga triangular prism. Kailangan nating i-break down yung ating composite solid sa mga ganung portion or mga ganung part. Okay? So, para mahanap natin yung volume ng ganitong part and then ng ganitong part and then ipagko-combine na lang natin siya. Okay? So, in this example, we can break down this composite solid into two. First, ano ba yun? First is ito. Okay, so ano to? Kung titignan nyo, ano siya? So, that is a pyramid. Okay, so, yan yung ating first. So, pyramid siya in this form. Okay? Ngayon, meron siyang dimension na ito ay 6 inch. Okay? And then, paano yung side niya, yung base? Anong dimension ng base niya? So, ang gagamitin mo dyan is eto. Okay? So, this is 4 inch and also this is 4 inch. Okay? So, yan yung una. So, ano yung pangalawang simpler solid natin na pwedeng kunin sa kanya? So, meron na tayo na ito, yung parang bubong eh. 'Di ba? So, yung syempre, ito na lang natitira. Okay, ito yung sunod natin kukunin. Prism naman yan. Okay? So, pag kinuha natin siya, magiging ganito siya. Okay, so ito yung isa pang part na kinuha natin. Ayan, so ito meron din tong dimension na ito daw ay 5 inch. And then this is 4 inch. And also this is 4 inch. So, ngayon nakuha na natin yung mga simpler solid na bumubuo dun sa composite solid natin. So, ang next na gagawin natin is to find yung volume na itong dalawang simpler solid natin. One is, so since 4 inches yung base niya, parehas na 4 inches, square pyramid siya. And then the volume ng ating rectangular prism. So, kapag nakuha na natin yon, i-add lang natin yung volume niya. And that is yung volume na ng composite solid natin. Okay? Total volume na yan. Okay? So, pwede natin siyang i-denote as the volume ng ating solid is equal to the volume ng pyramid plus the volume ng solid. Okay? So, yun yung general formula natin. So, ngayon, hanapin muna natin yung volume ng ating pyramid. So, for the volume ng ating pyramid, ano ba ang formula ng volume ng pyramid natin? That is 1/3. So, since this is a square pyramid, so this is S squared times height. And then, this is equal to 1/3. And then, yung S natin, yung base edge, that is 4 inches. square times height. And this is equal to, so mayroon pala tayo ditong value ng height, which is 6 inches. Burahin muna natin. This is 6 inches. So simplifying this, we have 1/3. And then yung 4 inches muna, kapag in-square natin siya, that is 16 inches square times 6 inch. Okay? And then, pwede pa natin itong masimplify. So, 1/3. So, 16 times 6, that is 96. And then, inches squared times inches, that is inches cubed. Then, finally, the volume for our pyramid is 1/3 times 96. That is 32 inches cube or cubic inches. Okay, so lagay muna natin dito sa taas. So the volume of the pyramid suglang muna natin. Okay, and also the volume ng ating solid. So this is 32 cubic inches. Okay, so burahin natin to para hindi magulo yung ating solution. Okay, ngayon, volume naman ng ating solid. Okay, so the volume of our solid is just length times width times height. Okay, so we have here yung values naman, 4 inches by 4 inches by 5 inches. Basically, i-multiply mo lang lahat yan. 4 inches times 4 inches times 5 inches. Okay, so first, yung 4 inches times 4 inches muna, that is 16 inches squared times 5 inches. Okay, so finally, we have 16 inches squared times 5 inches. That is 80 cubic inches or inches cubed. So this is the volume ng solid natin. Lagay natin dito, 80 cubic inches. Okay, so burahin natin to. So ngayon, meron na tayong volume parehas nung ating bin-breakdown na simpler solid from our composite solid. So ngayon, ipag-a-add na lang natin siya. Okay? So the volume of the pyramid is 32 cubic inches. Sinolve naman natin yan. Paano naging 32 cubic inches yan? Plus, yung volume ng solid natin, which is, kinupit din natin kanina. Which is 80 cubic inches. Okay? And then, adding both values natin, this will give us 102 cubic inches. So this is our final answer. So this is the volume nung ating composite solid shown below. Okay? So, keynotes na kailangan nating tandaan sa paghahanap ng volume ng composite solid natin is we need to break down yung isang buong composite solid natin na given into simpler solids. Okay? Tulad nito, bin-breakdown natin siya into two. Isang square pyramid and isang rectangular prism. Okay? So, after that, pwede mo nang hanapin yung volume ng mga simpler solid dahil may mga formula naman tayong ginagamit dyan. Okay? Then, after that, meron ka ng mga volume, i-add mo lang lahat yon and that's it. That's the volume ng composite solid natin. Okay? So, I hope malinaw sa inyo yung ating naging process and steps on how to find the volume of this composite solid. Okay? So, for our second example, given another composite solid, no? Kindly comment down your answer sa ating chat box and let's see kung naiintindihan nyo kung paano tayo naghahanap ng volume ng composite solid. If medyo nalilito pa kayo, pwede nyong panoorin lang yung ating solution for our first example in order for you to answer this example. Okay? So, that's it for our video for today. I hope may natutunan kayo and maraming salamat sa panonood.